Hi guys, it's Elishia here from Mystical Moonflower, and today I have the Witch's Roots box to share with you. I finally went back to getting this box. I've been missing the Book of Shadow sheets for my book, so I'm anxious to get into this guy. So let's see what we have for the month of August. Okay, this box smells really good, so I am anxious to see what is smelling so nice in here. This is what it looks like. Here is the first peek. What does it say? Chakras. Okay, so let's see what this month is about. So this month's book is about the deepest peace. If you guys want to pause and read about that, you can. I'm not going to make you sit through it because I did that on my Witch's Moon and box and it took forever. So this is about this month. And we have a Book of Shadow sheets on chakras. And then our herb is white tea. Look at that beauty. And these pages are just gorgeous. There's more. All right, set these up. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing is a bag of white tea. And then we have a little bag here. We have this adorable little heart crystal, and I'm not sure what that is. We'll find out when we get to the paperwork. Then we have another little bag. Okay, and in here we have a pewter pendant. And on the back it says, I am at peace with myself and the world. So that's pretty. Then we have our oil. And this is our oil of the month, Hawaiian mint. And this stuff smells, it smells amazing. I don't know if you guys can see down in there, but that smells really good. And we have our incense, which is called Unblock. We have 8, and these things smell, oh, they smell delicious. I hope they have these for sale on their store, because I'm going to be buying some more of these guys. All right, and then we are down to our last thing in the box. It is in here. And it is, let me get it out here. And it is candles, mini a candle. And we have this little time holder guy here. Oh, I keep knocking everything down. Okay, so we have this orange color. We have blue, red, yellow, light blue, purple, and green. All right, let's see what our sheet says. All right, so the first thing they talk about is the white tea. I'm gonna put it up here so you guys can read and you can pause it, because I'm not gonna make you sit through all that. So it tells you about all the benefits of it. And then they talk about the White Tea Herbal Grimoire artwork, which is by the talented A.E. Alden. And then we have the Goddess of Peace pendant with chain. And the stone is an Amazonite heart. I don't have one of those. So that's going to be an interesting one to work with. And then we have the 7 chakra candles with candle holder. And then we have the Chakras book of shadow artwork. We have the Ease and Alignment Magical Anointing Oil. And the smell of this is white tea, ginger, and lemon. So that smells so lovely. And then we have the Unblock Ritual Incense Sticks. And it goes on to tell you about the box. And it is for August 2021. So this is the least expensive box from the Witch's Moon, which is the Witch's Roots. And I think with shipping, it's just really close to $30. But I like it, and the oil smells amazing, and these smell delicious. But yeah, I like it all, and of course I'm always in love with their grimoire pages. So the candles I'm good with because I can always use candles, but I just got a whole set of these from another subscription box. But I mean, let's be real, witches use candles, so these are not going to go to waste. But this is everything, guys. Let me know what you think about the Witch's Roots for the month of August, and let me know if you get this box. I'm glad to be back to getting it. I'm extremely happy. So with that said, I hope you guys are staying safe, and until next time, you guys live well. Bye, guys.